Caterpillar Inc. NYSE CAT stock rose 0.54%, as on August 2, 11 hours 52 minutes and 49 seconds AM UTC-4. Source: Google Finance, after the company said that strong demand for heavy machinery from construction and mining industries was expected to drive full-year operating margin near the top end of its prior forecast, sending its shares to a record high. Demand for heavy equipment has been improving as the United States upgrades roads, railways and other transportation infrastructure under Biden administration's $1 trillion package that was approved by the Senate and signed into law in 2021. The manufacturer report a $600 million increase in dealer inventory in the second quarter from a year earlier, primarily in its energy and transportation business. The company has also reported second quarter profit and revenue that topped analyst estimates, as the U.S. Construction Equipment Group was boosted by strength in its machinery, energy and transportation unit. CAT in the second quarter of FY23 has reported the adjusted earnings per share of $5.55, beating the analysts' estimates for the adjusted earnings per share of $4.58. The company had reported the adjusted revenue growth of 22% to $17.32 billion in the second quarter of FY23, beating the analysts' estimates for revenue of $16.49 billion. Operating income during the period jumped by 88% annually to $3.65 billion, beating Bloomberg consensus expectations of $2.94 billion. Adjusted operating profit margin was 21.3% for the second quarter of 2023, compared with 13.8% for the second quarter of 2022. Moreover, construction industry's second quarter total sales increased $1,121 million or 19% and segment profit increased $814 million or 82%. Resource Industries' total sales increased $602 million or 20% and segment profit increased $385 million or 108% in the second quarter. Energy and Transportation total sales increased $1,514 million or 27% and segment profit increased $610 million or 93%. In oil and gas segment, there is an increase in turbine and turbine-related RVICES as well as reciprocating engines used in gas compression and well servicing. In power generation segment, there is an increase in large and small reciprocating engines and turbine-related services. In industrial segment, there is an increase in sales across all regions, and in transportation, there is an increase in marine and rail services. Additionally, for the first half of 2023, enterprise operating cash flow was $4.8 billion, and the company ended the second quarter with $7.4 billion of enterprise cash. In the quarter, the company repurchased $1.4 billion of Caterpillar common stock and paid dividends of $0.6 billion.